Niche communities, sensitive topics, micro-influencers you'd never find anywhere else. Facebook groups are still one of the few parts of Facebook that actually feel alive. They're where people tell the truth, brands won't, where new trends quietly start, and where real conversations happen long before they hit the mainstream. But if you've ever tried pulling data from a group manually, yeah, it's chaos. Endless post scrolling, copying comments, juggling screenshots, opening profiles one by one, and after an hour, you've got nothing usable. No structure, no patterns, no real insights. Today, we're fixing that with Facebook Group Scraper. You don't need to install any browser plugins for it. You also don't need to use any cookies. And you definitely won't be monitoring the groups manually. But first off, what can you expect from this data extraction tool, and what is the best way to work with it? Facebook Group Scraper extracts posts, images, authors, and comments from public Facebook groups, and it's designed to do it fast and at scale. Once you know which groups you want to target, the scraper collects all the key post details like post text and URLs, author info, engagement metrics, and more. For a full list of everything you can scrape, check out the description. You can use all the gathered data to validate a product idea, explore new content topics, or identify active members for influencer outreach. And since you can add multiple group URLs at once, this is perfect if you're analyzing communities across an entire niche. The setup is easy. Once you're logged into your Apify account, open Facebook Group Scraper. You'll land on a simple input form. All you need to do is paste one or more public Facebook group URLs like these. Then set your options, the number of posts you want, 10, 100, or 500 per group, how to sort them, by newest posts, by newest activity, or by most relevant. You can also cap the time frame using the posts newer than option. That's really all the configuration you need. No proxies to set up manually, no tokens, no browser tricks. Before running, we always recommend saving your setup as a task. Great if you want to rerun it later or schedule recurring group monitoring. Click Start, and you'll see your scraper begin extracting posts and comments in real time. Once it's done, open the dataset to inspect your results. You'll see entries just like this. Each record includes, as promised, the post text and URL, author name and profile link, likes, reactions, shares, attachments like images, videos, and links, top comments with their authors and engagement, OCR text from images, post IDs, feedback IDs, and timestamps. This gives you a crystal clear view of what people are discussing inside your niche communities, from trending questions to product recommendations to frustrations and unmet needs. For example, if you're doing lead generation for eco-friendly planters, you can filter posts where members are actively asking for recommendations, and then scrape the comments to find potential buyers. If you're researching eco-friendly home gadgets, you can instantly see posts where people ask about composters, solar devices, or energy-saving tools. Or you can spot highly active members who consistently contribute and might be great candidates for becoming a micro-influencer for your cause. Once your run finishes, hit Export to download your dataset. Choose the format you prefer, JSON, CSV, Excel, HTML, or NDJSON, and pick only the fields you care about. Want a clean list of authors with profile URLs? Just export those columns. Need posts and comments for analysis in Sheets or Notion? Export the full dataset. You can then analyze discussions, categorize themes, build lead lists, or run sentiment analysis through your favorite AI tool or LLM workflow. If you want daily or weekly updates on what people are discussing inside your target groups, you can schedule the scraper to run automatically. Each new run creates a fresh dataset so you can track trends over time, which questions are appearing more often, which products are being compared, or how conversations shift over the months. And if you want the data to flow somewhere else automatically, you can connect it to Zapier, N8N, Make, Google Drive, Slack, or any other app you use. You can also chain it with other scrapers. Facebook Comment Scraper would be a great candidate to scrape all the comments from under each group post, not just the top ones. Prefer working with code? Open the API tab to copy ready-to-use examples for Node.js, Python, or curl. This effectively gives you your own Facebook Groups API, so you can trigger runs, fetch results, integrate with custom dashboards, or call it from AI agents using the MCP. Perfect for automated market intelligence or community monitoring. If you want to go further, we've got tools for every type of Facebook data. Facebook search results, pages and posts, ads from Meta Ad Library, reviews, comments, followers, and more. If it's on Facebook and it's public, you can scrape it. And if you're lacking some features of scraping Facebook groups or even specific Facebook scraping tools, just let us know in a review and we'll take care of it. And that's it for Facebook Group Scraper. If you've ever tried collecting Facebook group posts manually, this tool will save you hours and help you unlock insights you'd never find scrolling by hand. Try it out by going to Apify Store and get your first dataset for free. If this walkthrough was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more scraping tutorials and automation demos. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for all the likes.